Hello, hello. How are we doing? So, we're going to do chapter 12, lesson 7 today. And this is sort of a review, but it's just with multiplication instead of addition and subtraction. But we're talking about related facts. So, if you remember, with addition, we did 3 plus 5 equals 8. And then the related fact to that would be 5 plus 3 equals 8. Right? And then with subtraction, we did something like 5 minus 3 equals 2, and then 5 minus 2 equals 3, right? So we're going to do that with multiplication now. And I think you guys will do really well with this. Okay? So our B friend here says the product, which if you remember right, the product is the answer to a multiplication problem, stays the same when you change the order of the factors. So with addition, our answer, our sum, stays the same, okay? Now, 2 times 5 equals 10, but 5 times 2 also equals 10. So the order of the two factors does not matter. You're going to get the same answer, okay? So that's all we're doing for this lesson. So number 1's done for you, but I would like to do it. 2 times 4 equals 8. 4 times 2 also equals 8, okay? So I'm going to do 2 and 3, and then I want you to pause the video and try 4, 5, and 6, all right? So number 2, 5 times 3, we have to count by 5, 3 times 5, 10, 15, and 3 times 5 also equals 15, okay? 1 times 5, remember anything times 1 is that number. So 1 times 5 is 5, 5 times 1 is also 5, okay? Go ahead and pause it. I encourage you to take a piece of paper, write down these facts, put your answers, and then press play, okay? You guys gotta test yourselves and make sure you're working hard and trying to get better at these facts, okay? So when you are in 3rd grade next year, you're gonna remember these, okay? So I would encourage you to try these on your own. I would encourage you to write them down instead of just saying them out loud, okay? Because remember, the more you write something and practice and work at it, the better you're going to be, right? Practice makes perfect, as we like to say, okay? So 3 times 4 equals, we have 4 and 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which means that 4 times 3 is also 12. Okay, 3 times 2, so that's like saying 3 2 times is 6, and 2 times 3 is also 6. Okay, and then we have 4 times 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, and that means 5 times 4 is also 20. Okay, all right. Now, we're going to skip this thing here, this chart, and we're just going to do the 2-word problems. So Mark has 4 clear boxes. He puts 5 of his toy figures in each box. How many toy figures does Mark have? Okay, so he has 4 boxes, and they all have 5 toys in them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could do 4 boxes times 5 in each 5 toys in each box. So we have to count by 5 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20. So he has 20 toy figures. Okay. And number 10, Jean has her toy figures on 5 shelves. She puts 4 figures on each shelf. How many toys does Jean have? So she has 5 shelves, but she only has 4 things on each shelf instead of he had 4 shelves with 5 things on each. So we have 5 times 4 now. So look, it's a related fact. So 4 times 5 equals 20. So 5 times 4 also equals 20. Okay? All right, so this lesson was very quick, and if you need to watch it a second time, I encourage that. If not, I'm sure you guys are doing great with it. If you have any questions, please, 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 please ask, okay? And other than that, I will talk to you all later, all right? Have